Assalamualaikum. Welcome to our channel Botany with YouTube. Today I'm here a PhD scholar. I'm going to present a topic secondary growth in plants. What is secondary growth? Secondary growth is characterized by an increase in thickness or girth of the plant. They caused by cell division in lateral meristem. Secondary growth occur in most seed plants. Botany with YouTube is our channel. If you are new in our channel, then please try to subscribe our channel firstly and press the bell icon button for getting the notification of our next video. Monocot usually lacks secondary growth. Reason because monocot do not possess vascular cambium in between the vascular bundles. Where does secondary growth occur in plants? The process of secondary growth is controlled by the lateral meristem and it is similar in both stem and root. Lateral meristem include the vascular cambium, woody plant, cork cambium. Why secondary growth important to plant? It is the outgrowth which make the plant thicker and wider. It is important to woody plant because they grow much taller than other plant and need more support in the stem and root. Role of cambium. Cambium plural cambium or in plant layer of actively dividing cell between xylem and phloem that is responsible for secondary growth of stem and root. Secondary growth occur after the first season and result in increase in thickness. Types of lateral tissues. There are two types of lateral tissues involved in secondary growth, vascular cambium, cork cambium. In vascular cambium primary stage, a layer of meristematic plant tissues is sandwiched between vascular tissue, primary xylem and phloem. This layer is not continuous but appear as patches. On maturity, these patches develop and separate the vascular tissues. This tissue is called vascular cambium. They form the cambial ring in plants. Botany with YouTube is our channel. Share our channel, share our videos with your other friends, colleagues and researchers. Cork cambium. In woody plant, cork cambium is the outermost lateral meristem. Cork cambium, also called phallogen, and is another meristematic tissue developed in the cortex region. Due to cambial ring activity, the outer layers such as cortex cells and epidermis get crushed. This is the time when the cork cambium develop a new protective layer. Cork cambium start to differentiate cell and form outer cork and inner secondary cortex. Heartwood, sapwood, vascular cambium, living phloem, pediderm, bark, cork, cambium and cork. Function of secondary growth. You can say that substantial for constant plant growth and remodeling of body structure. As an important meristem involve the vascular cambium, form a cylindrical domain below the organ surface producing tissue for long distance transport. Primary and secondary growth. Primary growth, it is controlled by root apical meristem and shoot apical meristem. Secondary growth, it is controlled by two lateral meristem, vascular cambium and cork cambium. Not all plants exhibit secondary growth. You can observe here in diagram primary growth. girth of stem or secondary growth, girth of stem. Occurrence of secondary growth. It is caused by cell division in lateral meristem location. They occur at secondary meristem and result an increase in girth of plant. Botany with YouTube is our channel. Like our videos, and if you have any question related to our topic, you can ask us in comment section, and you can also share your point of view with us in comment section. Some points of secondary growth only occur in mature plants, occur in both angiosperm and gymnosperms. They follow primary growth. Bark peridium, lenticels, secondary xylem are developed during this. You can observe here in diagram epidermis, cortex, pericycle, vascular cambium, secondary xylem, secondary phloem. Abnormal secondary growth. Abnormal secondary growth does not follow the pattern of single vascular cambium producing xylem to inside and phloem to outside in the ancestral. Some dicot have secondary growth, for example, in the cambium arise outside the oldest phloem. You can observe here palm tree increase their trunk diameter by mean of division and enlargement of parenchyma tissue without a real secondary growth. Production of secondary vascular strands, secondary xylem and phloem tissue with the consequent enlargement of the canopy and root system. Secondary growth thickness, the stem root typical making them woody. Obstruction such as the mental or metal post stub the limb can be engulfed by the tree trunk. In non-woody plants, secondary growth also occur in many non-woody plants, for example, tomato, potato tuber, carrot, taproot, sweet potato, tuberous root. A few long-lived leaves also have secondary growth. Conclusion. Secondary growth in plant take place through the division of cell in two varieties of meristematic tissue. The vascular cambium give rise to secondary phloem and xylem, and cork cambium give rise to outer tissues of the woody plant. Thanks to visit our channel. Thanks for your concentration, for your attention. Good luck. Allah Hafiz.